Hello friends, this video I am going to show you how to share your page post into a group. First, you need to go to your Facebook. Then after you have to go to your page. I am searching my page. It's Kitty. Then after you can see the share button. Click on the share button. After that you can see those things. Share to group, this one. Click this one. Then you can see so many Facebook groups which I added to my Facebook profile. Then select the group you need to post your select the group, then post your post after share in this group. Now my post already share with that group. I will show you one post again. This is the share to the groups. Then select the group which you need to share. Click, then post. Yeah, the share is done. Thank you.